excited. This is a great show. It's all about the Special Olympics athletes and the smiles on their faces. It's just absolutely incredible. This year, 2024, we wanted to do something a little different. We came up quite a while ago with this new kit box, and we put Dream Rides and limited edition stickers on it. And as the day went through, we would have the athletes come and sign the box. We sell the kit, and $50 would go back to Dream Ride as a donation for the cause.
With McLaren Boston, I'm one of the brand ambassadors. We love this event. Michael Bizzuto and everything he does for Special Olympics and all the other organizations that are involved. The experience here is just overwhelming. The feeling that you get as part of this group, as part of the Dream Ride, to see the Dream Riders, to see the expressions on their faces, it's truly amazing. But one of the other things that I wanted to talk about is you see all these amazing cars in the tent, but you know, it's about building relationships and intertwining companies and how that works and really how the networking of all that comes together. And Glenn from Swag has always been great to us over the years. The cars get really dusty out here on the field, you know, between the grass and everything else moving around. So he's nice enough to get his amazing products out here and get these cars really cleaned up for us and make them look in you know, tip-top shape. And each one of them has his products on it today, and they've really made a difference here in the tent. It's really great to be able to showcase these vehicles with the right products, the right cleanliness, and really just make it what it should be for Dream Ride. And you know, the cars look amazing when they're out there on the Dream Ride. You know, we go 12 miles with the kids. We want these cars looking great, and Swag Products really does that for us.
Builds is another networking adventure for Swag Custom Rides. You have a QR code that's designed for your vehicle. Somebody can come up and scan it, and it is a specific web page giving you pictures, videos, history, all build information for that vehicle.
So here at Dream Ride 2024, we have our 2023 Morgan Super 3 here. We're a dealer based out of Pennsylvania, just south of Harrisburg. We've been invited up for the cause. We love supporting the Dream Ride. This is one of our leftover models that we came up here to show to Mike Bizzuto and show off, get some revenue in for the Morgan cause. This is another one of Mike's personal Morgans over next to it. So we just brought in the products for detailing these cars and all our restoration products on the other side of the business. We love using his cutting compounds and all his final step detailing stuff, and we can't wait to get more of the products in the shop.
Take 10. So here we have a custom conversion golf cart. This is something we're going to be doing in the future. We did this quite a few years ago. It's a golf cart with a conversion into a 66 Bronco, which is really popular right now. Broncos are huge. There's all kinds of cars, all kinds of trucks and SUVs that you could do for golf carts, but we are going to start doing that. So we're going to let everybody know that. So if there's people that want specific things out there, we can do it. This is just one example, which is pretty cool, and it actually steals the show every time we're here. So check this out. It's pretty neat.